Hello everybody, welcome to Builder Buy. I want to thank you for joining us today. How many of you use the QuickLaunch ToolBar? Oh, you used to use the QuickLaunch ToolBar, and Microsoft in their infinite wisdom decided to move it. It's still there, they've just kind of hidden it. We're going to show you an easier way to try to bring that back up. And the system we've just installed the new 2 terabyte NVMe drive on, which is an X399 that we did the clean install. We're telling a story with those videos. Well, with this one, we're going to bring that back up, and I'm going to flip over to that desktop because the reason I like to have that, I have some shortcuts on the desktop. I don't want them on the desktop. I want those shortcuts on that QuickLaunch toolbar in that little menu, nestled in there nice and tight. I like to try to keep the desktop clean. Now, yes, it grows bigger than I want, but still we have our preferences. So let's take a look at that and walk through it. This is real quick and easy. And the most important thing you have to remember is percent AppData percent. Now we're going to go over to the computer and I'll show you what I'm talking about, and we're going to make a couple of changes so that we can make this work for us. Now on the desktop in the bottom left we've got the search area. We're going to end up with our little bar over here on the left like it used to be. So what I'm going to do here on the right side on the bottom, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on search, and I'm going to say hide that. Now even though we are hiding search, search is still available. By pressing the Windows key plus S, you bring up an expanded search, but it's still there. We're just hiding it so we can get back to what we used to have, which was our quick launch. So now that we have search out of the way, we're going to right click on the taskbar. We're going to click on toolbars, and right now we have address, links, and desktop. We're going to go for a new toolbar. Now we're not creating a new toolbar, we're just going to go find it. And the thing that's crucial is percent AppData percent, and that's where that information's at. So we're going to go pull that up, and I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. New toolbar. Now if you'll notice this new toolbar window, this is an Explorer window, and right here it's already got this PC documents. So what we're going to do is highlight in that area, and we're going to type percent AppData percent and press enter. Voila! We are now in the place we need to be with the information that we're looking for. This is a hidden folder where a lot of information is at, and you want to keep this in mind because later when we start doing some stuff with Thunderbird, for those of you that use that email client, well, this is one of those special places where a lot of that information is at that you're going to need access to either restore it. Thunderbird blew up on us recently, and we're probably thinking about doing a video on that. In essence, I'll just say you have to create a new profile, but that's another video. But your data is still intact. So now we've got this far, we're going to drill down to where we need to be. So we're going to go to Microsoft, click on that. We're going to go to Internet Explorer, and right there, Quick Launch. Click on that. Now we select folder, voila. Now if you notice down here on the bottom right, we have our quick launch, and those are the items under quick launch. They're already there for us. So what we want to do to make this appear like it has in the past is right click on the taskbar, and we'll unlock it, and then we'll right click on the word quick launch, and we've got show title and show text. We have to go through these one at a time and remove that. Show title and text. Now what we need to do is drag this across from right to left and get this on the other side. And then over here on the right, again, we'll click and drag that over to the left so we can see the big icons. Move it to the left as far as it'll go. Now, there's our quick launch, and there's our regular icons. So back over here on the taskbar in an area that has nothing on it, we'll right click, and now we'll say lock. And once we've locked the taskbar, we now have our quick view. Okay, now that we have our quick launch toolbar visible, now we still have the task view button available. We'll leave that. We also still have the Cortana button up there, and if we decide not to show the Cortana button, then that gets us all the way down a little bit further to the left. Pretty good. So very quickly we've shown you how to restore the quick launch toolbar. The key is the percent AppData percent once that window pops up. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Now for the next item we're going to do, thanks for watching.